Our first caller is Melanie. Hi, Melanie.
Hello, how you doing?
Doing well. How are you?
I tell you, this past week's been a nightmare for me.
Okay, go ahead. Tell us what's on your mind.
Yes, my husband got military orders to St. Mary, Georgia in 1993, and I had a really good job up in Charleston at Belk's in Charleston and everything. I worked for them full-time for 3 years. And in 93, I began to have a mental breakdown because my husband left me for some woman, you know, and abandoned my children, moving to the Navy. But my question is, I went through a 17-year depression, and I was handicapped starting in 1993, you know, from the divorce. And in 1994, I had a horrible auto accident. I wasn't able to do anything for 17 years, pretty much. Now, I should be able to collect my unemployment benefits, even though it's been a long time, you know, because I was disabled, you know. I wasn't able to, I didn't have a month to even get, you know, to even try to collect them because the mental breakdown from my divorce, you know, beginning my divorce, and then an auto accident happened the same year.
Okay.
Okay, what is your question? Can you collect unemployment?
Is that
Melanie?
Yes,
is that
yes,
your
I
question?
should be able to go back and get it because I was so, you know, out of it for 17 years.
Okay.
Okay.
What about that, Santana?
Unfortunately, because you have been out for 17 years, if I understood you correctly, the time for you to go back and draw that unemployment has passed now. Unfortunately, you won't be able to ask the state for that.
And certainly, if you're out for an injury, if you're disabled and cannot work in the workplace, you're not eligible to draw unemployment.
That's correct.
That's a condition of unemployment, is that you're able to work.
That's correct.
Okay. I think what she was wondering if the time for her to file would be suspended while she was disabled, and then once she became non-disabled, whether she could go back and file in that time.
All right.
Ship sailed.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
Thanks for your question, Melanie.
Opinions expressed on Law Call are those of the participants and do not necessarily reflect the opinions of 13 WMAZ staff or management, nor any legal or judicial entity. The legal information supplied in this broadcast is general information only and is not intended to be legal advice for any given situation. Do not rely on broadcast information without consulting an attorney. Contingent attorney's fees refers only to those fees charged by the attorneys for legal services. Such fees are not permitted in all types of cases. Court costs and other additional expenses of legal action usually must be paid by the client.